Alright guys, today we talk about minor pentatonic adding the major third. The key of this minor pentatonic is actually to mix the minor and the major third, which is very typical in the blues music. As usual guys, let's go through the 5 forms of the minor pentatonic. Today we will see the minor pentatonic with the minor and the major third. First form. Let's go through now the second form, starting on the 8th fret on the 6th string. Let's see now the third form, starting on the 10th fret on the 6th string. Fourth form, starting on the 12th fret, 6th string. Fifth and last form of the minor pentatonic with the minor and major third.